We're about to go to the festival in Perkins, Rowe. There's like a food truck fest, and it's the most big bag thing ever. And I love it, and I'm here for it. So let's go.
My head that I can't keep on got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Replay. Remember the first time we met you. Chance, who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? But railroad white breaking all the rules. She like a song played again and again. Like something off a poster. Is a damn they say.
Hey everybody, we're Jeremiah's Italian Ice. We're the coolest frozen dessert brand in Baton Rouge. We serve Italian ice, soft ice cream, and our signature item is our flavor. We layer the ice cream on top of the Italian ice with sprinkles or chocolate chips or cookie butter crumbles. It's delicious. Hop on by for a sweet treat.
Like my iPod stuck on replay, replay. See you being all around the globe. Now once did you leave my mind? We talk on the phone from night till the morning. Girl, it really changed my life.
So I kind of already dug into it. But it's really good. I don't know if I can eat it.
Like something off a poster. Is a damn they say. Is a gun to my holster. Yeah, she's running through my mind all day. Hey, shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day. Like my iPod.